Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA Cardano continues to be here in a sideways consolidation pattern of all the, or let's say of most of the coins that we are tracking, that I'm tracking here at the moment. The ADA chart is probably one of the tightest ranges of all. We will take a look at that. We're going to zoom in a minute. But yeah, bigger picture here. This is zoomed out, the 4-hour time frame. You might hear the dogs in the background fighting for attention. The bigger picture is unchanged. So we are still tracking here in the white scenario a triangle where we say we have an initial decline in an A wave. That was the low that formed on the 3rd of February. A B wave to the upside was that top. I think it was the there was a Trump tweet or something. Then this would be the C wave to the downside here that bottomed potentially on the 10th of March. D wave could be unfolding and then an E wave. So we have an A, B, C, D, E pattern. And it's forming lower highs and higher lows. And the D wave could be unfolding right now. That's been the communication. That was the last message as well from me here about the structure, that I still would prefer the price to move in the D wave towards this blue zone between 88.5 cents and $1.08. Now, that doesn't necessarily make it a great trade setup. This is simply tracking the waves and talking about what would be an ideal triangle, right? So it's all about probabilities. I don't really have any great setup structure here. We don't have a breakout at the moment. We don't have a 5-wave move up, 3-wave move down situation. This is simply based on structure. But yeah, it's based on corrective movements. And then when the D wave is done of the triangle, we should still get a higher low and an E wave. If you watch the XRP video, this is simply the same structure of a triangle, yeah, and then we could get another move up from there. In another scenario, we're tracking a diagonal structure in which the 4th wave is not the triangle, but the 4th wave already bottomed as a WXY complex correction on the 2nd or 3rd of February. And here we are moving up now in wave 1, wave 2, and then A, B, C of wave 3. Then we could get a 4th wave and a 5th wave. So that we get this 5-wave move there to the upside. This would be a scenario to track in a bullish, directly bullish pathway. Not high confidence, because honestly, if a C wave is unfolding right now, it should be a bit more impulsive. So I am tracking that white triangle. Both are valid, however, as long as we are holding above that red dotted line at 64.5 cents. And below that level could still be that somehow this is resetting, especially in the triangle. A lower wave C would be possible, but that would require a break below that 64.5 cent level. And even then, as long as the market holds above 51 cents, the triangle is still valid. And also the yellow count, it would simply mean a change of microstructure, okay? But overall, ideally, to show some strength, the price should hold above that 64.5 cent level. Really looking at the nano structure, we really track here the nano structure. You can see that this here is an AB12 structure. That's at least my interpretation of it. Again, not high confidence. This looks a bit like 5 waves down, so it can't really be a wave 2. But again, this is not the microstructures. I wouldn't rely on them for precision necessarily. So I'm rather relying here on context a little bit more. And the levels, okay. So what I want to see to confirm further this move up has started and the C wave up is taking the price higher. I want to see a break above 75.5, 75.6 cents. And then we can watch the blue zone as an ideal target. Is this going to be the microstructure? Probably not. I mean, it might be that this C wave comes in a little short, and then this will just be the larger A wave of a D wave. So we have to be flexible when it comes to microstructures. Bottom line is I have no upside breakout signal of the larger range. Absolutely not. We're still moving in a range. We're even moving in a very narrow range at the moment, and it takes a break above 75.6 cents to indicate the bulls are taking the lead. Looking promising today, but Bitcoin has moved. Lots of altcoins have moved. ADA hasn't really moved yet, so not quite sure what's going on here. We're still stuck in a range, and we need that breakout. And I'll keep you updated about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to follow us on X, obviously completely for free. We discuss here with the community, and you can ask questions about charts and so on. So come over. I'll be there for a couple of hours after the video to answer questions and so on. So yeah, check it out. We're very active there, the community as well. Link to the X profile is in the comment section. Please make sure that you only follow the account with the golden check mark. Yeah, we don't have any other Morecryptoonline accounts because people get scammed otherwise. You know, there are fake accounts that send you messages and everything. That's not us, okay? We communicate with you through the normal pathways here on X. Thank you very much. Have a great day and start to the week. Bye-bye.